Hey Dreamers, Arctic Lily here with a new video. Today I don't know what I'm doing. I'm tired. I don't want to. And guys, tomorrow I go back to school. I don't want to go back to school. Probably a theme party yesterday. Yup, probably. Yep. Like one call of the alphabet. No, not even one yet. And guys, I got 3 diamonds from a member daily spin, which I got 3 diamonds from yesterday. But I'm saving my diamonds up now, so yeah. Baby, I'm sorry. Oh, guys, I have my new den, and so this is what it is. Oh, I think I already decorated it. Oh, I added some more. I added the Arctic wolf claw that I got from a gift. This is just a bedroom. And then I got a masterpiece token from yesterday about talking about like the live stream and everything. While I was recording, I was watching a live stream and being in a live stream. So I got the masterpiece token that I can use to make a masterpiece of. So yeah, I got that too. Yay. I have allergies right now because it's so darn cold outside. I'm gonna go to the diamond shop and see what I can buy, but I'm not actually gonna buy. Ew. I can get a pet koala. I can get any of these pets. All these pets in here I can get, but I'm not gonna get an underwater pet because nobody goes underwater. Literally, nobody does. There we go. What animals can I get for 5 diamonds? Probably none. Besides the sloth and the pig. None! I mean, I'd get the pig. And I'd never get the sloth. Because the sleep is just, alright, I will eat you in the sleep now. I don't like it, it's just creepy. It's just... I wanna like that. Ooh, pretty. Guess what? I'm not getting it because I don't want to. Oh yeah, I remember having that thing there. Lightning around, which I'm not gonna get. That sounds really, really scary. Oh my god, yeah! I'm here a fountain. What is this? River Race? I've never even played River Race. What even is River Race? A sleuth mannequin. A sleuth, guys. Flipping sleuth! Hey, what? Why does it have those eyes and nothing else? I'm very confused now. Help me. Guys, this is an odd video, and I don't really want to record, but I'm doing it for you guys. Because I don't know what to do whenever I record. Pet horse for trade. There's a horse that has a pet horse on trade. That's not creepy at all. Winkety wink 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 wink. Or should I save up for a den? I mean, I'm never at my den. Yeah, the only den that I can get is the bounce house den, which probably makes me bounce everywhere. And the Pixel Place. I'm gonna preview it. Ooh. I already know this is awesome. Go back. Now we're gonna check out the bounce house then. Bang, 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 oh. Preview. Whoa, this is a big yard. Yep. Not buying that. Ever. Ever. Because I bounce too much and I don't like bouncing on that. Because I have a trampoline in real life and I don't need that. I've like checked every store in here. Except for this and this, but because I don't want to. With my auntie. The auntie caramel rolls. Oh. Okay, this is a boring video, but well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and meanwhile, stay safe and jam on. Bye!